Hello everyone, and welcome to lesson 6 of this tutorial, that's Microsoft Excel for beginners. Now in this lesson we'll be looking at paste specials. Now the first thing we'll be looking at is our normal pasting. That's where we paste the values. Alright, we paste the values. So if for instance you can copy these values over here. Alright, you can copy these values over here and right click and paste. Alright, so we can just paste. Now with all the paste specials, you can locate them by right clicking and coming to paste specials over here. You can paste your formulas, and here you can paste the formulas plus the numbering format. Then here we can paste the formatting of where we are copying it from. Right, then here we can paste borders to no borders. Right, then we can keep column width, that's the width from where we are copying the data. Then we can also paste transpose. Alright, now I know we understand transpose, right? I know those of us who are familiar with, I think, a little bit of calculus, right? When you are finding a transpose of a matrix, just like flipping it. Alright, another paste options also, we can just paste a link and all sort of it. Okay, so here the first thing we're pasting is we're pasting values. Oh, where is this mistake coming from? Let me sort this. Okay, so we can paste the values just like we've done over here. Now you can see that within this data, okay, you can see that although where we copied the data from, right, the headers were formatted, so they were in the font color was red, as well as the cell background or the cell fields were yellow. Right, now when it comes to paste special, we can also go there and copy. You can go to the header and copy. Now with this copy that we want to go and paste only the formatting that we've done over there. So here we right click, all right, and we go to paste formatting. Immediately we select that one, you can see that the formatting that we've done over there comes or shows at where we pasted our data. All right, now the next one we will look at is pasting the formulas, and this one we will look at it in deep when we are dealing with basic and other formulas in Excel. Right, so in this situation we can paste only the formulas from the copied range. Right, so for example, if we dealt with any formulas, we can copy those formulas, right, and apply it in a new place that we are pasting our data. Okay, then we can paste transpose. Okay, so for example, you can see that with this data, okay, with this data we have salesperson, the last price, actual price, discount, and all of that. So you can see that the sales or the headers are on the column. So you have column G for salesperson, column H for last price, column I for actual price, and so on. So we can transpose the data so that we can get, for example, salesperson on a row, right, then last price also on a row, actual price on a row, all right, on that sort. So and that's where the transpose comes in. So transpose is like flipping the data, otherwise. All right, so let me get rid of this and let's use our transpose. Now I want to transpose this part or copy this part of the data and transpose. Now after copying the data, right, I locate the cell where I want to paste. So for example, let me start from here, that's cell O10. So I right click, right, and I locate paste option. So transpose is over here, right, and I hit on it, paste. So you can see that this data have been transformed, right? So now we have salespersons instead of column G on the original data, it's on a row now, that's row 10, right? So you can see it over here. So let me adjust the width. All right, so you can see it over here, the salespersons, the last price, actual price, and discount, and that's how we transpose data also. So we can also transpose the whole data set that we have, and I think now we all can do that. So let me get rid of this and let's try it with our massive data. So let me leave the other side over here. So let me, all right, so I copy everything, and then as you know, I come here, fresh page, I want to transpose this asset. I right click, all right, and I come to paste special transpose. Right, you can see that the data has been flipped for us. Okay, now the next one we can also do is, in case we had let's say comments, in case we had comments or something of that sort in our data. So let me add a comment over here. All right, let me say too expensive. All right, too expensive. Now I come here and I copy. Now I want to so I want to paste in the comments, right? So I come to paste specials. Okay, I can't see it over here, so let me come here. All right, so I can see columns and notes. Okay, and I hit OK. Now you can see that the comment in cell H9 has been pasted here in cell Q16. All right, so you can see the comments pasted over here, too expensive, right? And we copied it from the side, too expensive. And that's why you can also copy comments instead of just rewriting it or giving comments on each cell, right? Now another paste special you can also do with currently is pasting links, right? So you can copy a link from somewhere and also paste it, and that one also we just right click and locate link over here and we can paste the link. Okay, but when it comes to keyboard shortcuts for the paste special dialog, we can use Ctrl Alt V. After copying this, I hold my Ctrl Alt V to open the paste special dialog box. Okay, so after selecting it, maybe if you want to just paste the comments within that side that you've selected, you just click on the cell that you want to paste those comments, then you hold your Ctrl Alt plus V to open the paste special dialog box. Okay, all right, so I'd like to thank you very much, all right, for being with us, and stay tuned for the next lesson. Bye bye.